Hi, my name's Sam Puglisi, Operations Manager, Anchor Bay Powder Coat, and our plants run on Steelhead. My role here is to pretty much ensure the day-to-day operations, making sure all my employees have what they need to make sure they can do their job accurately and precisely, making sure that we ensure the quality for all of our customers, making sure they get the best work possible. I've been here going on 9 years, so when I was here, I mean, it was, I think, 12 guys in the shop. Now we're close to upwards of 50 employees, so we've definitely grown a lot in that 9 years. I started as just an unloader, just general labor, and I've kind of just worked my way up the ladder. Pretty much I've worked every position here. We have a lot more specific processes. Pretty much we just know what we need done, especially for more of the military work that we've grown into. Just it needs to be precise. We need to have this collected data in one spot, and the paper just wasn't viable. It just didn't make sense after a while because there's just too much of it. All the certs, all the prints, all the masking instructions, all this stuff. You have just a packet of paper, and then all of a sudden one guy loses it or ends up in a burn-off oven. It gets we're people, we make mistakes. And it gets burned off, and next thing you know, oh, that was the original copy of the print. You know, I didn't take a picture of it. It's not in the system. So it's like, well, now we have to call the customer, chase down more prints. So that's days you're losing on a part, and then you're late, and it's your customer's mad, you know. But going to the digital, you know, it's you scan it, everything's there. The original received order, the prints, the masking instructions, where it's at in the shop, it's just in the palm of your hands. I don't know what you can ask to be better. The certifications they're so easy now. You know, now that all of our guys have the processes down, we're doing all the right stuff, the water breaking, the anchor profile, all the stuff for all the military stuff that needs to get done, it's all getting entered in. So making a cert is literally just button clicking and it's made, you know, making sure you're inventorying all your powders, making sure you're choosing your powder on which work orders, all that stuff. It's so simple. It's literally just clicks the buttons, the cert's auto-generated, you sign it on the screen and you send it to your customer. It streamlines it so fast. One of the biggest things is the support they give. It's top notch. Like it's one of my favorite things for sure. And the potential that comes with that support. You know, we can have weekly meetings, you can have daily meetings. I can call them 3 times a day and they're gonna pick up the phone, they're gonna answer, and they're gonna help me solve the problems. If I have a problem, hey, this isn't scanning right, boom, there's a text message and someone's on it. You know, it's just ridiculously fast support. So that's huge because it's worth its weight in gold right there. You know, if you're sitting there and you don't have a problem and you can't move a part forward and you don't get that day support, well, then that part has to stay there. It can't move forward. When you get support in 5 to 10 minutes, I mean, it's perfect because then those parts aren't going to be stuck in limbo. They're going to be able to get moved through your shop and out your door, and your customer's not going to feel that at all. I mean, it's saving me hours a day, and it saves other people hours a day. It's not just me. It's everyone saving labor, in every area, just because it's just the ease is just so easy.